Hi, this is my FitnessGram data analysis project, and my name is Karina Jimenez. So we had to choose 6 schools, and I chose the ones that are closest to where I live. So the first one would be Aeolian Elementary School. The next one's Longfellow Elementary School, Mill School, Christian Sorensen Science Academy, Ocean View Elementary School, and then Leffingwell Elementary School. And the two that are highlighted with gray are the ones that I decided to choose on to report. So again, the 2 schools I selected to report on are under the Whittier City School District, and that's Mill School and Technology Academy. I decided to choose grade 5, and they are home of the Mustangs, and this is their mascot. And then the second one I chose was under East Whittier City School District, and that school is Leffingwell Elementary School. Again, I chose grade 5, and they are home of the Leopards. So Mill School and Technology Academy. I picked the school because my little cousin goes here, so that was just the one I wanted to do some research on. The demographic is mostly Hispanic. The population for the 5th grade boys is 25, girls 34, and then the total population for 5th graders is 59. So this is just the screenshots of the overall for the district, and then for the school itself, this is the overall summary, and then the school itself, the summary of the males, and then the school itself, the summary on the females. So some of the research I did, what is the number of percentage of students in the healthy fitness zone? So what I did was I added all of the percentages, and then I totaled it out to 600%. So 456% of boys are in the healthy fitness zone out of the 600%. And then the same thing with girls. So they had 529.4 out of 600. And then what in this percentage of needs improvement for body mass index. So then again, I just referred to this body composition for both male and female. And the boys are at 24 and the girls are at 14.7 that need improvement. What this tells me about that section specifically is that the girls at this school are healthier than the boys. What does this data tell you about the school? The boys are about 76% average in the healthy fitness zone, and the girls are about 88.2 in the fitness zone. And then again, I did the same thing for the other school. So the other school I picked was Leffingwell. I picked this school because a family friend has a daughter that goes here. So their demographics is mostly Hispanic again, but a little bit more of white in there too. Again, I added all of the information given to you, and the boys' population is about 48, girls' population about 51 in the 5th grade. That's a total of 99. And then again, the same exact information, but for Leffingwell Elementary and a different district. And then again, I did the same thing. The boys 458.4% out of 600, and then the girls 488.2% out of the 600. Again, the girls are healthier than the boys in this school, but it's only by like a smaller percent. The boys are 76.4% average healthy, and then the girls are 81.3 in the healthy fitness zone. So a comparison of the data collected from Mill School and Technology Academy. So what I got from this is the girls are healthier than the boys overall, and the students at Mill are healthier than those at Leffingwell. This data also showed me that the girls are healthier than the boys at both schools. And these schools are different because the student population at Mill School is smaller than that at Leffingwell School. What do you believe are the factors that would account for the differences? So I think population definitely plays a role, because the smaller school or in this situation, the smaller school is healthier than the larger school. So maybe those smaller schools get a little bit more attention and they're able to have healthier students. What I learned and think I can apply for the information to, I think collecting this data is extremely important for schools to gather. They could share the resources, so they could ask other schools how they had such a higher healthy fitness zone and what they can do differently. Um, yeah. And then here are the credit and resources. Um, the first one is the government, the data analysis that we collected. And then I got Mills, uh, and then Leffingwell. And that's it. Thank you.